Hey, what's up? This is Virgil Abloh. The idea behind the TASCHEN book, Something's Off, is to sort of give an inside window into my design process with Nike. Since 2017, I've been working on this project of building a language within the sort of historic lineage of Nike. Not everything's on the internet. Not everything has been revealed. The lens at which Off-White was created was to make this rationale between conundrum of two opposites, black and white. So the space in between, it's Off-White. So I can do these multiple trains of thought within one practice. The process is documented within the book. The way I make shoes, the way I think about shoes, the idea of the different principles that I introduce, the interconnectedness between all the shoes are all what the book is about. Virgil Abloh signing off. Get it? Signing off.
Boom. Straight into it. Straight into it, people. The back here. Great. Yeah, this is something I've been wanting to cop when I first saw the news when it broke out online on Instagram. Virgil, and if I'm correct, is it TASCHEN? One book retailer. They released a collab book together. They published a book together, and this book speaks on far-fetched. Green on green. This book speaks on Virgil's vision, his thought process throughout his Nike collabs. This shoe cost, how much? I bought it off the Off-White website. This came straight from the Off-White website, so shout out to them. The book cost, I think it's like 66 pounds, something like that. I'll put a picture of the price on the screen for you guys. But yeah, man, a book about everything Nike with Virgil, his creation, his design, thought process. I think it's pretty cool that he's decided to now share this with people inside the images of all the shoes that he's been working on. And from other videos I've watched, there are some samples as well. So let's get into it, man. Gently. Right off the bat, green. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Some sort of like canvas material. Funny enough, it feels slightly similar to my Still See Air Force Ones. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. Something's Off. Nike swoosh. Virgil Abloh trademark icon. TASCHEN. I think it's publisher. I think they're a publisher. Back at the back. Like when I don't know how to describe this now. That's pretty cool, to be fair. I thought it was like an error, but it's not. One of the icons. We have the introduction. Let's speak on sneakers. But yeah, it's just a book about there's a design thought process, really, which is pretty cool. Loads of images, starting off with the Off-White blazer from the original 10. Oh, he worked on some original Converse before he went with the high murmurs. You already know what that is. Shout out to Chicago, shout out to Jordan. Thought process with the Jordan 1. This is a really cool book, and I'm very excited to get stuck into this one. As you know, as I said in one of the other videos, prestos. Books are definitely a nice piece to have in terms of just art for the room. You could put it on the shelves on coffee tables. So this would definitely be added to my other small but mighty book collection. I also own the Stone Island one, so I'll be adding this to that collection. Obviously, after reading it, these books are not just for show people. You should be reading your books. Yeah, this is just a great cop, a quick unboxing, to be fair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one. Bless.